And
it
May
sparkles.
punas.
You must have heard her wrong, Polly. There's no such thing.
Tingnan mo, ginawa pamunas. May punas.
She
Wow,
says
yan
there
eh.
is, but it's shut. That's why no people have ever seen
Hi.
it. I'd love to meet a pink
Wow.
sparkly dolphin. These guys say the dolphin stays in the lagoon at the edge of the rainforest. Getting there won't be easy, but I bet it'll be fun. Last one of the fruits has a rotten mango. Let's go.
Ubad din natin damit mo. Why? You like this? You like?
Something in the middle of the road.
Aww.
Oh, it's so
Ganda-ganda
cute.
ng damit eh. Gusto pala niya.
There's a
Aww.
bunch of them in the rainforest.
Thank you po,
but each one
Ninang.
keeps to itself.
Thank you. Ito kay Ninang Annabel.
Alone and friendless? Forget this. I can't deal.
Thank you po, Ninang Annabel.
You sloth need a make.
Ayaw na hubarin.
You'll feel
Sinukat
so
lang niya.
happy and confident. You'll have
Ay,
friends
hindi na, hindi na,
hanging
hindi
with
na.
you all the time.
Hindi na natin hubarin. Sa'yo na
Are
yan.
you with me? She wants
Smile ka
me to
muna.
take over.
Smile. Smile mo na, baby.
She says she'd love it.
Smile mo na, baby.
Yes.